Hi, this video is intended to be a quick tutorial on how to navigate to our Carbon Intelligence platform. You start by taking a look at our detailed Alberta Carbon Intelligence package, and you navigate to the top right, click on the Get Started to create a free account. Once you've landed within the Carbon Intelligence platform, you'll notice right away that some public data is available for consumption. So what we're looking at here is all of the large industrial facilities that report emissions across Canada. It's pretty interesting. You can go click on particular industrial sectors, see where the major emitters are located across Canada, what the emissions per capita is, what the provincial perspective looks like. So 30 million tons of fossil fuel electric power generation emissions were emitted in Alberta in the year 2020. These are the major emitting companies across Canada, and there's a layer underneath to show you the specific facilities for each company. And then over here is the general trend line to take a look at. So you can see from about 2004 to 2020, this sector in particular has dropped quite a few emissions. We also have the US industrial emissions that you can go take a look at. On the left-hand side, you'll see Get Access. So this is access to our paid packages. So within here, we have specific Alberta data packages available for hire. If you click on Get Access, what this will do is it'll set you up on a call with one of our market analysts. So go ahead, book, and get a walkthrough on what other data packages are in store for you. Thanks.